Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to do a 50-cent coin roll hunt. So we've got plenty of rolls to go through, so we'll get started straight away. There's a changeover, 2016 changeover. Fairly nice grade coin. It's not going to be one of the ones I'll keep, but if you don't have one, make sure you do keep one. Fairly easy to find, but yeah, keep an eye out for them. But the mintage isn't really low, is what I was going to say. But if you don't have one, keep one for your 50-cent coin collection. So we'll probably go through a couple of rolls and see if we can find anything worth keeping, and then we might pause the video and come back a little bit later once I do find something worth keeping. So I managed to get some rolls, some armor guard rolls as well as some prosecutor rolls. So hopefully we've got a bit of variety. No, let's get rid of that. Right, jump into another one. So this is one of the prosecutor rolls. So we're always trying to find state coins, so they're always a good one to find. Roughly in the 2.5 million average mintage for each of the state coins, and the territories, and the Norfolk Island one. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit just to check if there's any double bar, which there isn't. Behind the emu's head there is what we're looking at, but there's nothing going on there, so this is not one of the ones that are worth hanging on to. Oh, here's something nice. One of the Marbos, and I have been finding these in the prosecutor rolls more so than the armor guard rolls. So there we go, 1.4 million. So we'll put that one aside, and that will become a keeper. So we're also looking for low mintage coins, such as the 1993 and the 1985. Also any sort of error coins, like the 2010 rotation error coin. And I've got a roll here. We'll finish that roll now, but this roll here has got an ender. Now the reason why I saw that was because this particular one, so if you see the difference in the grey between these two, has got plenty of luster on that particular coin there, and not so much on this one. So we'll crack this roll open, we'll have a nice little look at that coin. Typically this wedding coin here from 1981. I generally don't keep them unless they're in really high grade. So we'll have a look and sort of see what this one is like. Push them all in. Where is it? This one here. It's not too bad. It's not great. And to be honest, I won't be keeping this particular one. But this is a nice grade to find it in this sort of condition. But I've got plenty of them that are in better nick, so that won't be one that I'll be keeping. So I should mention this. So I was looking on Facebook the other day, and up came a notification to say that I think in most capital cities, I probably should have prepared and got the information for you, but maybe have a look on Facebook at the Royal Australian Mint page, and they've actually got a coin swap. And they're all happening at the same time around the country. So I'm pretty sure there's one in Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne. I don't want to say anywhere else because I'm not sure, but I think there's at least 4 spots around the country that were all having a coin swap for 2019 coins, all on the same day at the same time. So which is the 10th of April. So only a couple of days away. I unfortunately cannot get there. Just not going to be able to make it in, which is a bit disappointing. So if anyone's going from Melbourne and doesn't mind getting me some of the 2019 coins, please let me know. We'll make contact and we'll make that arrangement. But yeah, it's a good opportunity to get down there, and you can basically swap over cash for cash. So like if you want some 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent coins, I think they pretty much will give them to you in bags. So you have to have cash. You can buy other things such as some uncirculating sort of coins, like the coins that are not meant for circulation, so the specialty coins. You can pay via credit card for those things, but if you go there with your cash and you want some 2019 dollar coins, some $2 coins, and the Mint have just brought out a brand new coloured $2 coin. I don't know whether that's going to be there, but it'd be nice if it is. But well worth going down there. And I know I looked at the Melbourne details. It's at Federation Square. And go down there and you swap your cash for coins. So usually bags. And it's well worth getting a hold of those bags now, because it's hard to get them at any other stage. And if you find out later on, as we're finding out now, that the 2018 10 cent coin is potentially a very low mintage coin, if you can get some bags of each, you get them at face value. So it is well worth grabbing a hold of them, hold on to them, and even in a little while you find out that that it's not worth hanging on to because the mintage is just too high, you can put them back into the bank. You haven't lost anything. So well worth seeing if you can get to each of the Mint swap days. So it's this Wednesday, the 10th of April. So yeah, if anyone from Melbourne's heading down and you don't mind grabbing me some coins, happy to put some money toward it. And yeah, that'd be an awesome awesome thing to get down there. Alright guys, we'll go through one more roll and then I'll hit the pause button. I might even try and find out some bit more details about this coin swap for you, so I can let you know where it's all going to be happening. So we'll quickly, actually I'm going to pause now. I'm going to go find that information out and I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so this is probably just the easiest way to show you guys where the coin swaps are on. So Wednesday, April the 10th, and we'll just zoom in there. So Canberra is actually at the mint. The Sydney coin swap is Centenary Square, Parramatta, between 8 and 2. So they're all between 8 and 2. Brisbane, South Bank, Brisbane, southern end of Stanley Street Plaza. Melbourne, Federation Square, Swanston Street Forecourt, and Adelaide, so in the Rundle Street Mall near Novo store. So it says down the bottom there, coin swap will be available in $10 sachets, so cash only, and limits apply. So I doubt they'd be giving you $10 worth of 5 cent and 10 cent and 20 cent. Maybe no, but definitely the $1, $2. Not even sure about the 50 cent, but anyway, you'll find out if you get the opportunity to get down there. So, all right, guys, I'll keep going, but make sure you get down there. Thanks. Be back shortly. All right, guys. So I've been through another 2 or 3 rolls, found another Marbo, which is nice, and a fairly poor condition 2018. I'm finding very few of these, but according to the mintage is, I think, around the 4.3 million or 4.5 million. So it's not going to be low mint, but it's just, I'm surprised just how few of these I'm finding. This is in fairly poor condition, so it's not going to be a keeper for me, but we'll keep going. Let's do another roll. So usually I would have found some stake coins by now, so nothing as yet. So fairly high commemorative, fairly high mintage commemorative coins. Probably a good portion of them are fairly high mintage, so that's why we don't bother keeping them unless they're in really high grade. But we have highlighted all of the low mintage 50 cent coins, so make sure you check out some of the videos on that. So I was really happy the other day. I didn't realize it, but all of a sudden, and this will be the 101st video, but that I'd uploaded my 100th video, which was quite surprising. All of a sudden, I remember doing the 50th one and was quite happy about that, but all of a sudden the 100th one went by, and I didn't actually realize until it was uploaded, so which was quite nice. So we will be continuing on with this series, going through 50 cent coins and dollar coins and the $2 coins, and we'll just have a look at what they're actually selling for on eBay. So good look at why we keep the coins we keep, and are they actually worth keeping. So this is a nice, this is a 1980 double bar. So if we zoom in on the emu's head, we can see the two little lines right behind the emu's head there, two little lines, so very small, and that's called a double bar because there's two of them. And yeah, not probably more common on the 1980 than what they are on the 1979. They can also be found on other years, but these are really the 2 years where they are probably their strongest. But also on the 1966, the round 50-cent coin, you will see them on that as well. Not all of them, but you will see them, so keep an eye out for that as well. This one's not in the best condition, obviously. It's fairly well dinged and banged, but we'll put it aside for now and see whether or not it's worth keeping. Zoom out a bit. Alright guys, we'll do one more roll and then I think we'll finish off for today. Get through this nice and quickly. Now, there's no double bar on this one. This is also 1980, and if you look behind the emu's head there is no bars. So just a quick comparison there. So we're just checking all the dates. Okay, this is a 1979 double bar. It's good we're finding both of them. So 1979, as you can see there, probably about the same sort of grade. And you can see those double bars right behind the emu's head there. So we'll put that one aside. We'll check this one. And that's 76. So I was looking at it upside down. I thought it was a 79 as well. Alright, last few coins. No. Alright guys, I think that is about it for today. So we found a few coins worth keeping. And certainly the two Marbos are definitely the keepers for me today. And the other ones I'll see whether or not I keep. But certainly they're the keepers for me, and the two double bars we'll have a look at. I did actually have a look today at the 1979, I think it was. Selling for around $5 each, which kind of surprised me. But more about that in the next 50-cent video. But for now, I hope you guys are able to get to the coin swaps wherever you are around the country. And I hope you have a lot of success getting the coins you want. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.